Yo, 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 MBG community, what is up? And I'm back. It's your motivation big guy. Just coming at you just to chill real quick. Just wanted to take y'all with me, man. One of my special places. One of those places I go to that when I want to chill. When I just want to clear my head and be easy. I got joining me today. I got a guest with me. Join me today. I'll introduce her in a minute. But yeah, let's get out, man. Let's get out. Enjoy the weather. Get out here with some sun. Yeah. I don't know what she doing. Back there doing I don't know what. Beautiful out here. I'll give y'all some views of what I see. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Still do that. Share. Any newcomers, make sure you hit that bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. Man, beautiful. This is one of my quiet places, y'all. Let me let y'all see, man. It's one of my quiet places. You got the ducks. You got the trees. You got a nice little trail. Beautiful. Come out here and just chill. Take a walk. I said, you know what? Let me show the community what I do on my off time. Squirrels.
Move out the way. Oh, he coming.
Move, man, move. Got squirrels out here. They bold, boy. They bold. You don't like squirrels?
No.
Yeah. You scared of squirrels?
Heck yeah. I like squirrels.
Oh, man.
He looked like he was coming towards me, so.
Coming
Bust a
towards you?
move, 'cause I was still gonna kick him.
Bust a move. What? Yo, don't do that. You just gonna kick a squirrel?
Well, hey, I don't want to be all bit up.
Yeah. Let me show the people. Introducing Miss Honey. Miss Honey. Look at that, man. The trees.
When you stressed, you come here.
When you stressed, you come here, man. Find you a lake. Find your spot, man. Dropping comments down. Excuse me. I'm interrupting runners and all that, y'all. Find your spot, man. Find your quiet place. Excuse my camera. Walking, probably jumping around a little bit, but it's okay. What you doing? You all right?
Yeah. Walking.
Okay. Trees. Oh. Yo, and what you do is you go out here.
There's another one. That's his cousin. I'm coming this way.
Go out here. Peep the squirrels. Look, he just ran out. Look at him, y'all. Look at him.
You see?
Oh my God. Look at him.
No.
He bold as heck, y'all. He bold as heck. Yo, they bold out here.
He said, what you want?
Yo, I think they got a gang. They got a gang, y'all. Y'all can't stress how important it is to to get away, man. Get away sometime. Enjoy like scenery and trees, and as y'all seeing, man, just what's up? You jumping? Yo, she jumping and whatnot? Yo, what's up? Oh, I wish I had got that on camera. Yo. Yo. We'll give y'all different angles. Just how beautiful these woods are, man. Miss Honey. Why you leaving me? Yo, come on, don't leave me. I might be scared. I don't know, they might get me, the squirrels, the gang. Look at this, y'all. Beautiful. Find your spot. I know y'all want to see me. I'm back. Huh? Why you ain't put on sneakers? Yo. Yo, watch out, watch out, watch out. Yo, yo, that was epic. Oh man, I told you I could be a little goofy sometime, man. But you gotta have balance in your life, baby. I love it. Oh. I just wanted to come with y'all for a minute. Yo, maybe we can go over there. Yo, come on. It's for the people. It's for the community, yo. Oh, this is a beautiful shot. Hold on. Let me show you. Let me show you. Bang. Woo. Beautiful. Go over there to your left. Over there to your left. Comment down below, man. Where's y'all place at? If you don't have a place, find a place that you could just go and one of my buddies say, chillax. You scared to come out here? Oh man, beautiful. Beautiful, man. That's one thing about me, y'all. I love nature, man. Like, love nature. It's like artwork. It's artwork. Yeah, I got it. People want to see me. Huh? Yo, what's up with these squirrels out here, yo? They gangster, yo. These squirrels is gangster, ain't they?
Yeah.
God.
Trying to attack me.
They ain't worried about you.
Did you see what happened?
What happened?
He
What
came
happened?
towards me.
I thought you was bold a few minutes ago.
That's sweet.
You was bold.
Well, listen. No, ma'am. No,
She
ma'am.
a punk.
What?
She a punk.
No, I'm not. You crazy on the hood.
Oh God.
Ooh, look at all that. I don't see a lot of ducks out though.
Nah.
That, right?
They in the water. They in the water. Ducks is in the water, y'all. I'm so excited to be back with y'all, MBG community. Yeah. Loving it, man. Having a good time, man. We're gonna continue to have a good time. And breed positivity.
I don't walk through here slow.
Yo, I was just in
This part.
I was just in the store, met some people, man. One of the females at the register, she just looked like she was hating her job, yo. So I said, what's up with you? Yo, you good? yo, you tripping. So I told her, what's up with you? I said, you look down. She said, man, I hate this job. I said, baby, smile. Smile. I said, matter of fact, if you need some positivity, hit up your motivation, big guy. She took the channel down and all, but she gonna tune in, man. She just looked miserable. It's all good, man. So that's what I say. Everybody need to pick me up. For real. Everybody need to pick me up. Yo. Let me show y'all this bend real quick. I'm sweating. It's hot out here. I asked you if you was sweating. I'm sweating. I'm a big guy. Big guy sweat. I mean, I do. So, man, be a lot of gnats out here though.
I know, that's why you close your mouth when you walk by them.
I'm mouth wide open talking and all that.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
What's that called?
that's,
Dirt?
oh, that might be like moss or something. But ain't no dirt. Something in my eye. Gnats flying around, y'all.
Saying that.
I'm glad the ducks ain't out, because it's not a whole lot of like I left my that's what I left my sunglasses.
Right.
I left my sunglasses, y'all. Yep. It's a nice breeze out here though.
Yeah, now, yeah, there's a lot of trees.
More appearances with a little sidekick, you know what I'm saying? That's like this my what'd you call yourself?
What?
What'd you call yourself? My part of my what team? What'd you call yourself?
Technical support.
Technical support, that's right. This who be behind my
Well, I'm the one that upload the videos. Shoot. I figured that out.
yeah, you did.
Driving me crazy.
Hey man, we gotta get it done somehow. Hold this camera. Sure. People come, people walk. All type of people out here. My community. Hey, good afternoon to you. Motivation Big Guy on YouTube, baby. Motivation Big Guy. Mukbang. Doing this for the community. Breathing positivity. Yeah, baby. Love, peace, positivity. This is awesome, man. You gotta enjoy it. Why are you walking faster? Why you, hello? They can see you. So y'all see that, right? She running away from me. It's all right. Going through a dark place now. This part of the trail. A little dark. You might see the light change, y'all. Hello. You might see the light change. But it's okay. It is okay. Yeah. About to get up out of here and let y'all go. I just wanted to show y'all some of what I do. You know, no matter what's going on in your life, you know what I'm saying, make sure you have that place that you can go to where you can rest. Where you can rest your mind, relax, gather your thoughts. Yeah, y'all. So, thank you for tuning in. to my little, I don't know, nature vlog. Just a moment with the Motivation Big Guy. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, turn on post notifications. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I look forward to seeing y'all back again very soon. Very soon. MBG community. This is your Motivation Big Guy. I bring you peace, positivity, love, and the real. I'm out of here, y'all. Peace.